Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to mask on Alight Motion. So basically, you just need to create your project. So here, you just need to tap on the create project button. And here, you just need to tap on the X at the top left. And then here, if you want to add an image or video, just tap on the plus icon. And here on media, just allow access here. And then once you've done, just need to choose the video. And then here, once you upload that image, you just need to tap on that image and you're gonna tap on the effects right here at the bottom right corner. And basically right here, you just need to add effect. So just need to choose the chroma key right there at the top middle. And you just need to choose right here, standard, green screen, or blue screen. So we're gonna use the standard settings. And here we're gonna change the key color right here. So if you want to delete that yellow color on the video background, just tap on the key color and then tap on the pen icon right here at the right side of your screen. So tap on that and choose the yellow color. So as you can see, it is now automatically removed background from that video, and you can just set this up. You can customize and delete some threshold or feather on your video. Now once you've done right here, let's go and add some backgrounds on that video. So tap on media, and basically right here you just need to choose the background, and here you can basically change the layer. So for example, you can put that video at the top of that background. So that's how you basically use mask on Alight Motion. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.